This is a quick little video on taking back control of your sales and marketing. Now, if you are familiar with social media, you are going to be very familiar with this left side here of not in control. And when we're not in control of our sales and marketing, this is, these are the three stages when we're not in control. Is self-awareness. Now, with us small business owners, we spend a lot of time by ourselves, so it can be difficult to take a step back and be self-aware of what we are doing. And naturally, the next two steps are what you see a lot in social media, that people will blame others and make up excuses about their situation. So this is what we want to avoid to do. Now, in social media, we all like to go on a rant now and again, and there's nothing wrong with that, but that's completely different from, blaming lowballers or blaming other cleaners or blaming other people. Those are all excuses, and that's when, we're not in control. So what we want to do is have our come to Jesus moment, and that is, do I really want this? So let's say, for argument's sake, whether it's doing Facebook advertising or cold calling, the question becomes, do I really want to make this commitment? Because this is the important part here, is will I commit to this for a couple years? And some platforms are going to be quicker to learn than others, but it takes time to build up instincts and to learn how the inner workings and the little details of anything. So you can't expect to go into it knowing. Now, you can have success right away, maybe on your first day. So I'm not saying you can't have success, but it's gonna take some time for you to develop these campaigns. So the first stage of being in control is first to identify the problem, to acknowledge you have a problem, and to identify what it is and where the bottlenecks are. And the next one is to find solutions, macro versus micro. And social media are in, this digital world we're in. We have these big national type of people. Let's say for Facebook advertising, there's these national people, and then there's industry people. We really want to learn from both and kind of blend it together. Because I'll give you a perfect example when it comes to boosting posts. The national people generally say boosting posts is not a good idea. But in the industry, it is a good idea, because for whatever reason, people just like to watch cleaning. They like to watch things being cleaned. I have no idea why. It's just one of those viral topics that people like to watch. So that's why we want to blend in the macro and micro with any of the sales and marketing. We want to do both. We want to learn from both sides and then put it together. And the final step is to do it, and to do a little bit of it every day. That's the only way you're going to really learn how to do something and become a master at it, and to build instincts. Instincts are when you do things automatically and you don't even think about them anymore, like brushing your teeth. That's the place we want to get to, is we just automatically know a certain industry right off the top of our head. We know them. And the only way you're going to get there is by having a lot of experience with that group of people or that platform. So this is just a quick little video on how to take back control of your sales and marketing situation, and I hope you enjoyed it.